Singularity net. This thing is looking great. We got our bull run trend line started right here, heading right up through here. You can see we're pulling away from it a little bit here. We'll cover this price here in a second, but we're making higher highs, higher low, higher high, and I'm sure we're going to make a higher low in here. Singularity net looks great. Got a big bull run ahead of us here, so we're going to take a look at this chart and see if we're heading up and look at some price targets here, right, for Singularity net. First off, I want to cover a couple other things. The crypto bubbles. I think we're going to start seeing some green pop up here. Getting a little bit more. I just did a couple videos, but it looks like Bitcoin is possibly starting a bounce here. Let's look and find Singularity net. I can never find them in here. You know, there it is over here. It's plus 7.6% for the day. Rank number 68, up 7 spots. Market cap 1.6 billion, and 24-hour volume is good, 497 million. All right, we're at $1.28. All right, if we come over here, I want to show you guys something real quick. We have a level 3 membership for $14.99. You get all of these videos, 9 hours of videos to teach you a lot of stuff. How to trade, how to draw trend lines, how to look for everything, you know. Everything is in here. 9 hours of videos for $14.99. We have 199 members, and I can't thank you, the members, enough. Thank you so much, guys. I got the best community out there. The Discord is the cherry on top. We're over there trading every day. If it's something you're interested in, $14.99, come join us. We would love to have you. All right. We take a look at Bitcoin real quick here. We were trading this morning over there in Discord, and of course Bitcoin playing its little games. You know what I mean? The bigger picture here, you know, market manipulation. That's about what it is. You know, it really is. You got a big, huge wedge forming on Bitcoin. All right, let's take a look here at a couple things and see if they line up for breakout or not. All right. The Fibonacci gives it a target at about 81.76. If we take the measured move of the inside here, you know, if things start lining up and looking the same or whatever, then chances are, you know, if things are flowing together, what you're looking at, then chances are that's what's going to happen. You know what I mean? Trying to get this thing straight, that's crazy. All right, well, we're going to go with a little bit of a crooked line. All right, you put that on top, it's about the same. All right, so it would make sense that we get a move to the upside according to the Fibonacci and according to a measurement of this wedge. All right, right around 82,000 bucks. Now, if we zoom in here on it just a little bit, because obviously the market follows this thing. Okay, it has 52% of the market share. We traded this wick up. It was a fake out, and ended up with big bearish engulfing candles here that just look at this, just pulled it right back down. You know, look at all the selling pressure right there. You know, then of course you came down here and you had a bottom. We also we nailed this bottom. Okay, this white line, we had it there before it hit it over in group, over in Discord. We measured out this ABC, and it was absolutely pretty much a perfect bottom. All right, you can see right here. If you take a measurement, let's go on about a 1 hour. All right, take a measurement from the top, bring it down, bring it over. All right, you can see that. Let me show you. You got your A wave right here, A wave coming down, your B wave up to the 618. Okay, and then your C wave down. How you find out your target for the 618? You take the top of your A wave and bring it down on top of your B wave. Right, I teach all this stuff in the over there for the little trading lessons. All right, that gives you your target for your C wave down here around 68.4, and you can see we nailed the bottom on Bitcoin. We're getting a bounce right now, so you ended up with an ABC in here. All right, the 1 hour is turned up on Bitcoin, a 17 and an 11. All right, the area to take out that would prove that this is bottom is right up here. Okay, right there, about 69, you know, call it 69.6. You know, if we take that out, I would say that's a bottom. All right, this right here. So keep an eye on that area. All right, we have our daily on Bitcoin. The RSI is bullish, a 39 and a 32, and you have your 3-day still coming down, but just about reset on that three-day RSI. All right, if we come out on that daily, you can see through here, normal stuff really. You have some green there, a little bit of red here, But these are, that's 2.5 thousand Bitcoin times 60. What is it? $69,000. That's crazy. That's a lot of money. 3,000 Bitcoin. Even these little ones, that's 1.2 thousand Bitcoin. That's $69,000 a Bitcoin. That's a lot of money. So we'll see if we get the bounce here. Possibly a breakout would be nice right now, and fire up to 82. All right, if we come over and look at Singularity Net, yeah, this thing is looking beautiful. All right, I got to do a price. Price prediction for this and get it out there, because Singularity, it's not really a prediction. It's backed up by technical analysis for sure. All right, this move here, if we were taking a look here, where would this give it a target for? It's about $2.27. All right, we're going to see if anything lines up with that. 227. Let's put a line out there for that right there. Okay, now we're going to take a move of this wave 1, 2, looks like a third wave up. Let's see what the trend based fib has on this thing. Low, just a little bit lower, darn it. Alright, that's good. Alright, so the trend-based fib obviously isn't going to work on here. It overextended that, okay? So we're not on the trend-based fib. Sometimes that thing works absolutely perfect, and then other times, let's see what it said on a, let's go off log once and try it. It's still probably going to be short. Boy, man, this thing is just going straight up, huh? Yeah. Still short. It's pulled down a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So that's not going to work on that. Boy, this could be a 1, 2, 3. Let me try that once. Yeah. This is this is here. It could be. What's that going to give this thing? This is the move. This is back in 2021. This is 2023. Oh, okay. All right. I gotcha. Actually, you know what? I'll just do it right now. You take a Fibonacci off the prior bull run. Let's see what it gives it for a bull run target here. Off the prior high, that ended up being a double top there. Look at that, right on the dot. And this is giving Singularity Net a target around $2.72, 272, right? And almost to $1.48 already. Some of these run earlier than others. With the bull market, Fetch is about at the 2618 also. So it could go higher, guys. It could. This thing works. The Fibonacci. I can show you Bitcoin. I can show you Cardano, where it pretty much nailed it on the dot. It gave from 2017 to 2021 for Bitcoin. It gave a target of 72. It hit 69. All right. The target for this bull run for Bitcoin is about 230 to 240 with the Fibonacci. On Cardano, it nailed the 2021 price from 2017. Absolutely nailed it. All right, so $2.70, $2.72, roughly right around there is the target it's given for the bull run. Now, if we zoom in here, it could go higher. It's you just got to when FOMO kicks in with this stuff. Look at what happened to Doge the last bull run. Yeah, these AI tokens is where it's at. AI right now is running like crazy. All right, let's zoom in on a daily and take a look here at this thing. Absolutely looks like a fourth wave pullback and a fifth wave up to me. It really does. You'd have a 1, 2 in here somewhere. fourth wave pullback and a fifth wave up. It's exactly what it looks like. These fifth waves all, almost all look the same. They have this down sloping pattern. Obviously, for the fourth wave back, you got your resistance, the breakout, and a push up. Okay, now let's take a look at a couple things here. We have a trend line right up through here, starting right there, right about there. Okay, so you can see how it broke out, has this wedge formation here with the trend lines, and it's running nicely right up through there. The daily RSI is heading right up. Okay, we're bullish at 46 and a 35. The 3-day is just about turning up here. All right, we have no bearish divergence down here. Do we have any bearish divergence on the daily? Let's take a look. This high actually had a lower high here. That's probably this pullback here, okay, because we had this high, then we had a lower high on the RSI, which is bearish. That would have caused this pullback. All right, now we broke back above the moving average. This should start moving. The 12-hour RSI is bearish at 89 and a 93. The 8-hour 86 and the 84 is bullish. It turned back up right there. And then on the 4-hour 51 and a 64. All right, and it's actually bearish right now. All right, but definitely expecting a push up here. All right, this thing zigzags up and down the whole way here. All right, if this could be a wave 1, 2 right here, working on a third wave. This trend-based fib, I'm telling you, these Fibonacci's, you learn how to use them because they are a masterpiece. I love them. I use the fib all day long. All right, that would be $1.99. What does the Fibonacci say if we put it on top here? Right, that's giving a target of about $1.81. So this absolutely could be working out. I could be off just a hair, but these two here are kind of matching up. $1.80 to $2. For a fifth wave. I would not be surprised at all. The trend-based fib and the regular fib are just about the same, within about 10 cents of each other or whatever. If you get in there and put it on and don't take the wicks on it. I've learned that too. Sometimes, especially the wicks on top. If you avoid them a lot of times, look, $1.88, $1.81, kind of matching up here. So I would definitely expect a push up here. Absolutely looks like a fourth wave pullback and a fifth wave up. This is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. All this stuff could go to zero tomorrow. You'd never know. All right. I watched Luna absolutely collapse that was crazy. That thing was like at I think $80 or something, and it went down to zero. That was insane. I was charting that day, and it was nuts. It was absolutely crazy. But I would expect this thing to definitely push up higher. To keep this trend line, right? Draw this trend line on your chart. If you're charting, it comes right out here. As long as it holds this trend line, it's still in trend, okay? And probably gonna zigzag a couple days. Might take off in 5 minutes, but I would expect to push up around $1.80, and after that, you're gonna get, of course, a B, C correction. It's hard to tell where it'll be at. You have to wait till that A wave forms and starts that B wave up. A lot of times you can trade that too. I teach that in my course. You get that A wave down, your B wave up right to the 618. You could get a short in right at that 618 and ride that C wave down. You can measure it right out with the fib where it's going. You have your target, ride that B wave down, boom, there you go. That's a nice short to do. I teach all that over in that level 3 membership. All right, thank you so very, very much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very soon, guys.